Hi, hello everyone, good morning everyone. So today we will learn about pharmacy as a career. Pharmacy as a career or scope of pharmacy in India. So the students who have completed their pharmacy degree, so what are the chances for those students to settle? So that is what is the scope of pharmacy in India or pharmacy as a career. So these are the career opportunities for the pharmacy students. So let's say the first one, when you choose pharmacy as a career, the first opportunity is pharmaceutical industry. You can join after the completion of your B Pharmacy, you can join in any of the pharmaceutical industry. You can join in these departments like research and development department, production department, quality control department, quality analysis department and packaging department. These are the departments which are there in any industry. So after the completion of your pharmacy course, you can join in any of such type of departments as a research associate or as a junior scientist. So the next thing is pharmacy in practice area. So you can also join in any practice area. Practice area is nothing but where you can practice your pharmacy course. So that is what is practice area is nothing but the hospitals. You can join in any hospitals as a pharmacist. You are the link between the doctor and the patient. So you can join in any hospital as a pharmacist. The third one is you can also join in any academics. You can join in academics. Academics in the sense after the completion of your Bachelor of Pharmacy course and after the completion of your Master of Pharmacy course, you can join as a lecturer or assistant professor or associate professor or as a professor in any of the colleges. So in academics you can join as in these departments as lecturer or after the completion of some more years, after getting some experience you are promoted as assistant professor, and after getting some more experience you are promoted as associate professor, and after getting more and more experience and after earning your PhD then you are promoted as professor. So you can also join in any academic institutions for teaching. If you are having the passion of teaching towards the students, then you can join in academics. And the next one is you can also join in regulatory area. So regulatory area is nothing but where you can regulate the drugs in India. So mainly you see the jobs like drug inspector and drug commissioner are the central government jobs. When you join in those jobs you can regulate the drugs in certain area. So this is what is regulatory area. And the last one is you can also join in any clinical research center. You can also join in any clinical research center where the clinical trials are performed. You know, every drug when it is going into its approval process, clinical trials has to be performed by the industry. So you can also join in such type of clinical research centers as junior scientist. So these are the career opportunities a pharmacy student after the completion of his pharmacy degree. These are the career opportunities. This is the scope of pharmacy in India. So this is about pharmacy as a career or scope of pharmacy in India. Thank you.